Here's my log splitter attachment for my Bobcat. Making those brackets right now. I'll make that a 4-way splitting wedge. I still gotta cut these off. Gotta find one more bolt. I got it upside down right now. I gotta put legs on this side so it sits flat. And I gotta make some more supports down here. I just got everything tack welded. That's a 5-inch cylinder, 36-inch stroke. Oh, can't remember. 3,000 psi, or sorry, 30-inch stroke. And I bought this off eBay. It's 3/8 thick.